Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about perimenopause weight gain, 3 tips for relief. Women going through perimenopause also experience perimenopause weight gain. This is due to an imbalance between the hormones estrogen and progesterone in the body. Perimenopause women can fight weight gain through lifestyle changes and/or hormone replacement therapy. The onset of menopause is a time to make healthier choices and fine-tune lifestyle issues. Some women discover that they put on as much as 20 pounds during the onset of menopause. It does not have to be that way. The onset of menopause is a time to change your diet and engage in regular exercises. 1. Get the proper nutrients. Hormonal imbalance can be corrected by providing your body with the necessary nutrients. Processed foods that are high in sodium and sugar should be eliminated from your diet. Instead, you should focus your diet on getting enough whole grain, fresh fruits, vegetables, fish and lean meats. Getting enough of the healthy fats such as the omega-3 is very important as it helps in the production of the hormones your body craves. You have to be aware of the fact that hormonal imbalance can trigger food cravings. And these cravings in turn contribute to perimenopause weight gain. Most of the time when we have cravings, it's not for healthy foods. Many people reach for sweets because they raise the serotonin levels in the brain and make them feel good. To achieve hormonal balance, you should add good quality vitamins and mineral supplements. A good nutritional supplement will contain not only the essential vitamins and minerals but be sure to also include fatty acids, calcium, magnesium and vitamin D. They should not contain any sweeteners, artificial coloring, preservatives and fillers. 2. Detoxify your body. Since everyone is exposed to environmental toxins through prescriptions, drugs, the food, the air and the water, you should detoxify the body on a regular basis, 2 to 3 times a year at least. This is important because some signs of menopause are similar to signs of toxicity, including fatigue, headaches, allergies and digestive problems such as bloating. 3. Consider bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. Many physicians prescribe synthetic hormone replacement therapy for premenopausal women. But synthetic HRT have had negative press lately as studies have found that it increases the risk for breast cancer, heart disease and stroke. Instead, you may want to discuss with your doctor the use of bioidentical hormone therapy. Bioidentical hormones are made from plants that resemble human hormones, so no side effects have been reported. In the end, please activate the bell button, subscribe to the channel, to receive from us all that is new. For more information about perimenopause weight gain, 3 tips for relief, please visit my own site. You will find the website link in the description. Thank you.